Hi students, today in this video we go for the revision of question 3A and it is prose and poetry and prose comprehension. We start from we do the revision of unit 5, that poem number 5, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark, and the chapter 5, Helen Keller. So first we do the comprehension of poem number 5. And here is the first stanza of poem 5, Don't be afraid of the dark. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. So, poet says to children that don't be afraid of the dark, and the earth need rest when the day is over, and the sun must be harsh, but moonlight and the stars are will be shining forever and ever. And now we go for the questions from this stanza. And here is the exercise of stanza that write true or false. Number 1, the poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. It is false because the poet says don't be afraid of the dark. Number 2, the poet says that stars will always shine at night. It is true. Number 3, find rhyming words from the poem. Here we have to find the rhyming words of given words. 1, done, and never, ever. So these are the comprehension questions, and now we go for chapter number 5. And here is the paragraph of chapter 5, Helen Keller. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. But one day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say was, there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. So this is the introduction of Helen Keller, that she was born in Alabama and in the year of 1880, and her parents loved her very much. But one day what happened, that she became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high, and everyone in the family were disappointed and said that the baby may not live. And now we see the questions from this paragraph. And here are the blanks. That number 1, Helen Keller was born in Alabama, and you can find this answer from the paragraph. Number 2, Helen was very dash girl, means healthy girl when she was born. So these 2 blanks, and now we go for the next exercise. And here is the second exercise, that find the opposites of given words. We can find these words from the paragraph. Number 1, big, small, low, high, no one, everyone, and sick, healthy. So these are opposites that we find from the paragraph. So these are the comprehension questions, and you have to repeat these comprehension exercises in your notebook. Thank you.